Welcome back, guys. So in today's video we're going to be putting the interior back into the 240. If you guys saw the last video, you saw that I dyed the carpet. So now we're going to be putting all the interior together. I'm currently in the process of getting this seat cleaned. There had been a fat stain right here and I got that out, but now the rest of the seat looks really dirty and gross. So now I have to work on the rest of the seat, but I can't really go and get any cleaner right now because no stores are open because of this whole coronavirus thing going on. So I'm just kind of working with what I have at home. I'm going to be throwing in all of the interior except for the bottom portion of the rear seats, just because they still have to dry, but I could do everything else right now and then I'll throw those in probably tomorrow. Pretty much all the plastic molding pieces back in there. So now all I really need to do is throw in the bottom cushion for the rear seats and vacuum it one last time. Throw my driver's seat and passenger seat in and then put my floor mats in, and I think the interior should be all put together besides the bezel, but I'll do that after. The black carpet looks so much better than the gray one that was in here. Like, it makes the car look newer, just cleaner, just all around better. I just got my garage Moon Power floor mats all cleaned up, but now I'm debating if I should throw it in because the interior just looks so simple and just clean. So, still don't know if I'm gonna put those in, but I got everything clean. That's just my rag back there to clean all my interior, which I still have to do. There it is, the interior is all put together now. The black carpet looks amazing. I'm so glad I did that. I did put the Garage Moon Power floor mats in there. You guys can see. Smells nice, looks nice. I'm happy.